Hey guys, Griffin Cooper here from Ablewaytech, and we're getting ready to kick off the next wave of our Applied Systems Development course starting on February 28th with 10 weeks of live coaching with Zoom question and answer sessions. We're going to be doing a lot of hands-on learning during this session. We're going to start with the chart setups, all the indicators you need, the basics, principles of the Kata Challenge strategy. Then we're going to practice the Kata Challenge together, identifying the patterns one by one, comparing the notes as a group, doing 6 weeks of practice, and then we're going to go to advanced strategies and techniques using the plan, prepare, execute, and assess model, where we find the movers, advanced exit techniques, assessing your trades, and then the next steps, whether you want to continue with the Kata Challenge or build your own systems for strategy diversifications. Here's a quick look at our live Zoom sessions for our coaching that's going to be recorded. Again, we're going to go through setting up your trading platform, answer all your questions about indicators, everything like that. Then we're going to start practicing finding SSC patterns during the week. Next week, we're going to look at finding collapsing dragon patterns. Next week, finding Kata 2 patterns. And each week, we'll circle back as a group and review all the different patterns we found together, what patterns I found, and compare our results. And then we'll start combining the patterns, looking at SSC plus the collapsing dragon patterns, or SSC plus the CD and Kata 2 patterns. We'll start to practice different exit techniques. We'll review the planning, preparing, executing, and assessing part of the trading process. This is going to be really helpful for anyone new to trading, as well as those traders looking to sharpen their skill sets. So go to ablewaytech.com for more details, and I hope you can join us.